Hello, my beautiful friends. Want to look 30 at 60? Today, we're making powerful anti-aging face masks using one simple but surprising ingredient: baking soda. Baking soda gently exfoliates, brightens the skin, and helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and dark spots. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss natural beauty tips that really work. Let's get started. First recipe: brightening and softening. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of milk, benefits: this mask gently removes dead skin cells, evens skin tone, and leaves your skin soft and refreshed. How to use: apply to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Friends, comment below and tell us where you're watching from. Second recipe: exfoliating and nourishing. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, benefits: gently exfoliates, cleanses pores, and nourishes dry skin. How to use: apply evenly to clean skin, including face, neck, and chest. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Pat, dry, and moisturize. Use 1 to 2 times a week. If you liked this recipe, like the video, leave a comment, and share it with a friend. Third recipe: deep hydration and smoothing. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of avocado oil, benefits: deeply hydrates and nourishes the skin, improving elasticity and texture. How to use: apply to face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe. More glow-boosting recipes are coming soon. Fourth recipe: soothing and brightening. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Benefits: soothes irritation, reduces redness, and adds a natural glow. How to use: apply gently to your clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave on for 15 minutes. Rinse and apply a calming cream or serum. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Fifth recipe: glow and spot reduction. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, Half a teaspoon of honey. Benefits: brightens dark spots, evens out skin tone, and leaves the skin glowing. How to use: apply a thin layer to your face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Sixth recipe: gentle lifting and softening. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of milk, half a teaspoon of coconut oil. Benefits: smooths fine lines, adds softness, and gently firms the skin. How to use: apply the mixture to clean skin. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse gently, pat dry, and finish with moisturizer. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.